Dear viewers, today I distribution transformer connection diagram. Start to delta connection. High voltage side S1 S2 coil, second coil S1 S2 coil, third coil S1 S2 coil. Star connection, input side red connection, yellow connection, blue connection. Low voltage side first coil X1 X2 coil, second coil X1 X2 coil, third coil X1 X2 coil. Delta connection, output side low voltage side delta connection, yellow red blue connection complete. Delta connection. Electric pole 3 transformer, first, second, third transformer, S1 S2 primary winding, X1 X2 secondary winding, output connection, fuse 1, fuse 2 এবং fuse 3. Red phase input, yellow input, blue phase input supply. Electric pole 2 transformer S1 red, yellow, blue connection. Then neutral connection, primary winding completed. Output transformer phase red connection, yellow connection, output connection, blue connection, output secondary winding, neutral output, star connection and delta connection, primary এবং secondary winding.